This video is on this Beams brand LED spotlight. It's 80 lumen and battery powered motion sensing weatherproof light. So I'm gonna test this thing out, and so we'll see. It's kind of the winter months right now. So if it works in the winter months, it's gonna work really good in the summer months. And so I'm hoping to get good results out of this baby. But let's check it out. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this thing. Okay, real quick before I open it up, it's, looks like it's got auto shut off. Okay, so this is just some of the features. So, oh, it takes C batteries, three C batteries. Okay, that's good to know. Oh, see that? Okay, they must go in there sideways. Yeah, okay. And then year warranty, whatever. Runtime, a year. I doubt that, but we'll see, maybe so. Okay, I just took it out of the package, and it's actually surprisingly light. So there's the bulb, and there's the motion sensor right there. And then this thing, oh, okay, that's cool. You can just hang it on a nail, and then it'll move around. Sweet. So this was less than 10 bucks at Home Depot. There's my 3 C batteries. Okay, to get this cover off, you just kind of twist and pull that way. It needs 2 hands. Okay, right in here, to get this thing off, you just push on this, push on that, and pop the top like that. It's got all the directions and stuff in there. There's the directions. There's the mounting screws. But go ahead, and I'm curious to see how bright this is. So, made in China. If I can get this right. Okay, and then we'll just pop this baby back on there. Oh, there we go. Sweet. Got the batteries in right. Take that. All right. It's kind of nice. Let's go see how it does outside in the dark and stuff too. Okay, I see what's going on here. So one other thing, you might be going, how do I get that screw in there and mount it? So this comes off right here. You're gonna want to pull that off. And then you can, that right there. See what you can do here. This thing pops out. Push on that. That'll pop out through that hole. Now you can take this and mount it up against the wall. Like there, and then pop this back in here. This is nice and flexible too. Pop that back in there, and you can screw this side back on. Good to go. Let's see how it does. Okay, it's still light out. I got it hanging up here, and so I don't have it permanently affixed. I want to see how bright this thing's going to be at night. So I'm going to let it sit, and then come back when it's dark and check it out. Here we go, up to the new battery powered light. Oh, there it is. Oh, that works great. Pouring out here right now. Very happy about that. That's a nice one. That's a keeper. Lots of light.